Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery with the ICARO combined range of cutting machinery. These machines are capable of both cutting and then bending the bar. There are combined machines with a bar bending and cutting capacity of 20 to 48 millimetres. Suitable for workshop or on-site use, the machine is supplied with a set of heavy-duty caster wheels which makes the machine easy to manoeuvre where required. Supplied with a range of bending pushes depending on the bending radius required. With a bi-directional bending table, operation is possible from either side of the machine. Safety guarding and interlocks are supplied as standard. For heavy-duty, long-life performance, the machine is fitted with a heavy-duty grease-filled gearbox with hardened laminated gearing. The compact cutting station has an adjustable cutting support block and safety guarding fitted, with a roving foot pedal for flexible operation. The cutting blades have 4 cutting edges and can be easily rotated for years of cutting performance. An adjustable squaring arm. If large bending radiuses are required, an optional large bending radius attachment is available. ICARO machinery is manufactured in Europe using only quality European components. There are 3 configurations of controllers available. A standard pin arrangement where the pin can be set to the bending angle required. A 5-angle bending controller where 5 bending angles can be set independently, and a digital angle controller where the operator can input the bending angle required. So we'll go over the operator's panel. You've got the main isolator switch where you can turn the power off or on. You've got the power on light. You can set the rotation of the bending table clockwise or anti-clockwise. Reset the safety guarding. Start the bending cycle, or return the bending table back to the reference position. Manual or automatic cycle selection. On the right side is a digital angle controller. There are 5 preset bending angles. For example, this is step number 1, bending in a clockwise rotation to 180 degrees. Number 3 is bending in an anti-clockwise rotation to 45 degrees. To set each bending angle, press the M function key and adjust the angle up and down as required. The rotation can be set pressing this button down here, anti-clockwise or clockwise. Once the bending rotation and angle is set, press the M function key again, and then the second step may be set. The machine will automatically step for all steps that are programmed into the controller. If you don't require all angles, you must set the remaining numbers to 0. After bending a bar, if the bending angle isn't correct, a correction angle may be set. Also, there is a piece counter, which counts how many bars have been bent. Lastly, if a set bending quantity is required, the piece counter can be set. If you're interested in the ICARO combined cutting and bending machine, you can order online or contact us for more information.